One of the many things that makes Italy unique among all countries, whether you are in the Amalfi Coast as we are today, or you are in its capital of Rome, or really any city in Italy, is it is the only country I know of where you are actually less likely to have the best possible vacation if you are wealthy. This is Salerno. This is where I recommend you staying in Amalfi Coast, even though it is the most affordable, because it will give you the most authentic experience. The place you most want to have the authentic experience is dining. And so today we are going to bring you what you want to look for in a dining experience in Italy, and it is right here in Salerno, and I hope you appreciate it the way that we do.
So tonight we're still in Salerno, and this restaurant, La Borghita del Masi, is a good example of the kind of restaurant that you want to go to in Italy, even though in gli Stati Uniti, in the United States, this would seem the opposite to you. So this ristorante, let me show you. Guardare, you see down the alley, and very few tables. And this is what you want because it is non-turistici. We're the only tourists here. And it's a neighborhood hangout where the locals know. If you're a tourist, you would be eating further towards the shore. But this is a restaurant where there's no English menus. There's no there's no sign outside that says that they take American dollars or credit cards. That's not something that you want in Italy. So once again, this is stuff there's no menu, they just brought us this.
She said this one is olive oil.
Australia.
This one was spicy.
Innesca il pubblico Muriel, pallone dentro per Pessina di testa. Poi non riesce a girarsi, protesta per un fallo di mano, si continua a giocare, Dominguez allontana. Cic può riuscire ad aprire.
What you hear in the background, not surprisingly, il calcio, quindi sport preferito in Italia, e il calcio. Our dinners here is pasta Amalfi, cozze, which is mussels, pomodoro, which is tomato, the pasta. One thing that we haven't addressed here is that what we think is pasta in the United States is not pasta. It's durum semolina, prepackaged, obviously, and you can buy it for 99 cents. In Italy, it's very difficult to find a restaurant where they don't make their pasta fresh. This is certainly one of those restaurants. If you have the kind of pasta we have in the United States, that probably means there's a sign outside that says, we take American dollars, and it's in English. So avoid it at all costs.
And what's in this? What's the content?
Cozze mussel. Oh, these obviously these are very hot peppers. Molto caldo, very hot.
Okay, so the chef brought us these peppers, and Jim is afraid to try them or hasn't tried them, so I'm going to try them. I'm not a pepper aficionado. I don't know what kind these are, but he had a smirk when he walked away, so I'm curious. There's a darker red and one that's not quite as dark but bigger, so I don't know if I should go for the darker color or the bigger size. I guess I'll go for the smaller one but darker color. That's fine.
Well, there's a delay. Take a bigger bite.
I got this.
Okay.
I mean, it's a little hot.
You'll know in a minute.
It's a little hot. So Jim just had. He just had his pepper. And the waitress brought us 2 cups of milk. That's my beer. The waiter's bringing il cameriere. Cameriere?
Canta.
Sì, oh. It is sweaty.
Non c'è problema. Non c'è problema per me.
È un problema.
Non c'è problema. Facile. Solo pane.
Only bread. So the entire neighborhood is in an uproar. Everybody at the bar, all the neighborhood people outside, the staff. Are you sweating?
Americani sono deboli.
Solo pane.
Solo pane.
I am legitimately sweating. Solo pane.
Solo pane. Solo pane.
Sì.
Latte? Latte?
Non latte, solo pane.
Water.
Pane, pane, latte.
Wine. You like wine?
Sì, certo, mi piace il vino. Un quarto italiano, 3/4 irlandese, sempre ubriaco, certo.
Here comes the waiter with another. Grazie.
Vino, grazie.
Wine, only wine, yes.
Vino e pane?
Okay.
Oh, meglio.
Pane.
Solo pane.
Okay.
Oh,
No.
oh.
Basta.
Vite fa bene.
Sì, va bene.
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 Sì. Mi sembra dire che fa bene.
See, they would be fine with this. Oh, I can't believe I made fun of you. Pago un po' vino rosso. Vino pago. Inglese, Stati Uniti, pepperoni. Non ordinaro pepperoni in Italia perché peppers, red and green peppers in Italia. Pepperoni. Oh, it's very hot. Molto caldo.
Okay.
Okay.
No, perché devo fare la...
Okay. You have something on top here. I think it's a macadamia nut you didn't try, but
Peanut.
No, I think it's maybe a macadamia.
That's that cherry.
I know what it is.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I
that
ruined the scene.
Yeah, you've been blowing it all.
Take
Come on. This is not take 2. This is take 1.
Okay.
This is that special Italian cherry.
Amareno.
And I'd like to give a shout out to not David Sterling, to Lou and Noel and their friend from West Virginia who brought these cherries one time for a hootenanny.
But David Sterling, we love you too.
He's from Kentucky.
Oh, that's right. And they put those in the drink, right?
Oh my God.
Oh, I can't wait to try that.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, there will be no trying it.
Buonasera. Che innamoran.
Grazie.
Prego.
How do you say she looks like her mother, not her father?
Complimenti! Mio, no, non bello, lei bella. Sì, capisco. Non stupido, I know. Non bello, ma lei è bella. Ah, grazie.
Due baci?
Oh, due baci. Ehi, coccove, no! Oh, mi dispiace!
Due baci.
Buonasera.
Ok. No.
Io non so, americano, stupido.
No.
No? Oh, esattamente? 59? No.
Dicelo anche te.
Certo! Non è possibile! 80? No! 81? 81?
81.
Oh my God.
No!
Sono nato il 3 febbraio 1940.
Oh! Capisco?
Capisco?
Nato...
Sì.
3
Oh.
febbraio 1940.
No!
Gli autograffi a casa.
Mi trasferisco in Italia domani! Mangio questo cibo!
A San
It
Vicente.
must be! Sì, no? Non capisco! 80? E mi soltanto 52? Ma I look like I'm older than her, and she's older than me.
Sì, sì.
Quanti anni ho io?
81!
Sì, no. Dimmi 90.
No! Ah! Lui dice 90 anni!
Quanti anni ero, sì? 81 anni. Secondo me devi no.
No, 90. Sbagliato!
Scherzando, sto scherzando.
Ah.
Credo.
Vero piacere tutti, no? Piacere tutti. Vero. In serio.